Hi everybody, it's Jake Chisholm with Results Realty Atlantic, and I'm here at 74 Terrace Heights Drive on the west side of New Glasgow. All right folks, you love bungalows, you love easy living, and this is exactly what this house is. It is so well maintained and has such nice finishes, you're going to fall in love with it. Okay, so we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, one of them being an ensuite, big living room that I'm here in, as well as dining room. You got a den, another spot for the eat-in kitchen, stamped concrete driveway as well too, which I love. I love stamped concrete. It just adds character in a way that's just subtle but just expensive looking too. So yeah, like I said, we're on a slab. You're gonna love it. It's easy, guys. So come see all the house. So, what'd you think? I know, I told you, easy, convenient, nice, open concept, but still has that traditional feel. And yeah, there's just a good feeling here. There's a good vibration, and that's really important when it's your home. When you're home, you want to feel homey and cozy and safe, and that's what Terrace Heights has for you. So, you know what to do. Make arrangements, come see it. You gotta walk this space and see all the natural light. And it just feels so good. You just gotta be here. So we'll see you guys all soon. We'll book your appointment.